This is one of my favorite potty training things that we got our toddler. Has a fun little button that you can push when they're all done going to the potty. Makes them feel like they actually flush the toilet. I love that this insert comes in and out. Pro tip, use a shower cap when you're traveling around this so that you don't have to constantly clean it every single time. You just tie up the bag and throw it out and wipe this down. I do wish that there is a little bit more of a gap here to clean because my toddler's pretty messy. Other than that, thumbs up for me.
This Nuby toilet is the perfect little introductory toilet. It's super easy to clean. This part comes out. This is easy to clean. I literally just cleaned this the other day with a bunch of Lysol wipes. You can put wipes in the back of this. I've never done that. I really don't find a need. It does flush, which is so fun. It has non-stick pads on the bottom, so kiddo isn't going to slip around. And we had this in our bathroom like months before our little one was even like ready to potty train, but having it there really helped to motivate. So it's not very tall, it's very lightweight, and I love this thing.
He has so far enjoyed sitting on it. This comes out so you can dump it in the toilet. It has a spot for you to add wipes. And it flushes, which he loves. That's just for fun, the sound and the lights. And it looks really nice in his bathroom.
Mama, дай открой.
You are looking for a toddler potty, this one is amazing. It's super easy to clean. All the parts can be disassembled. Some even fit in your dishwasher. It looks just like mommy and daddy's. It's super lightweight. You can carry this anywhere. We've taken it on the road. Highly recommend this. Super comfortable, and my son is quite large. He is a taller kiddo and he still fits comfortably. This is an awesome, awesome, awesome potty.
Here is the standard review for the Nuby My Real Potty Training Toilet. Potty training our kids was a snap with this training potty. The potty size and design is perfect for learning and features a realistic-sounding flush button that our kids love to press after they complete their mission. The potty is easy to clean, just take out the insert, dump the contents, and clean the interior. You're ready for the next mission.
Ja l'ha fet servir. Ja ha fet 2 pipis aquí.